Hey everyone, welcome back to Write with Ink. Today I'm going to design 10 virtues that are emphasized in the Chinese culture. This piece is specially requested by one of my friends, Kelvin, who is a great photographer. You can check it out on his IG, link in description. So, my version of the 10 virtues might differ from what you Google because there are many versions of it, but the gist is there, yeah? So this is what Kelvin wants, so we'll just go with this. So the 10 virtues consists of 仁 empathy, 义 justice, 礼 mannerism, 智 wisdom, 信 trust, 忠 loyal, 孝 filial piety, 廉 honest, 耻 humility, 勇 courage. The sequence that I wrote is the same as how I read them, so you can just refer to the video. I did a few iterations on this page because I want more diverse content on my Instagram. Link in description also. So I did the small calligraphy lettering, a big one, and an individual one for each words respectively. I also did some phone screen wallpapers which is on my website. All is in the description below. There's not much challenge with the big size words because I'm used to it, but the small ones are a hassle. The take that you saw just now was like the 4th or 5th take because I'm not that good and not that skilled with small words. Yeah, my hands shake a lot and I do not really practice much. But nonetheless, it is a good learning experience to take note as I'm striving to be a versatile calligrapher. So I need to learn up things that I'm not that good at, and I need to broaden my perspective on how calligraphy is viewed. All in all, the virtues are good, so go and look them up, learn them, and live up to it. Anyway, just enjoy the rest of the video with some piano background music and calligraphy strokes. See you in the next video. Peace. Bye.